Hello dear student, I am Varun Nishad from LPM school, and in this video we will talk about the molecular mass. The molecular mass. So the molecular mass is an average atomic mass. The molecular mass of average atomic mass. The average atomic mass of an atom which present in a compound or in a molecule and which is measured in atomic mass unit AMU, and in this time we have used this abbreviation into one word which is given by IUPAC, which is unified mass. So let's do one calculation with the help of this definition of molecular mass. So what is the molecular mass of water? What is the molecular mass of water or HNO3? Nitric acid. And then let's start the calculation of this nitric acid molecular mass. So molecular mass of nitric acid of or HNO3 is, then see what is the atomic mass of hydrogen. So atomic mass of hydrogen H2 or H is equal to 1 unified mass, and atomic mass of N or nitrogen is 40 unified mass, and atomic mass of oxygen कितना है इधर? HNO3 में oxygen is a 3. Here is the one oxygen atomic mass is 16, and here is the 3 oxygen is given into nitric acid. Then we will multiply by 3 into 16, which is 48 unified mass. And now calculate the molecular mass of HNO3. So hydrogen 1 plus nitrogen 14 and 48, then equal to 12 plus 1 13, 1 carry किया 4 plus 1 5 plus 1 6. So 63 unified mass, or the molecular mass of HNO3 is 63 unified mass. In this way we have calculated the molecular mass of any compound or any molecules. So now see, so this is the molecular mass of compound, the average atomic mass of an atom which present in compound are in a molecule. So let's see the next another example of how to calculate the molecular mass. Molecular mass. Now calculate the or what is the molecular mass of K2SO4. What is the molecular mass of K2SO4? Let's see the atomic. Let's calculate पोटेशियम नाइट्रेट का कितना होता है, पोटेशियम का कितना होता है, दिस इज पोटेशियम, 2 पोटेशियम 1 सल्फर एंड 4 ऑक्सीजन. सो पोटेशियम का कितना होगा 39 into 2 plus 60, 32 plus 64. So 16 into 4, it will be 9 2s are 18, 2 3s are 6, plus 1 7, plus 32 plus 64, and then 4 to 6 8, 14 4 1 7 3 10 16 plus 1 70 174 unified mass that we has calculated, which is 174 unified mass. In this way we have calculated the molecular mass of the any molecule. It is a so पोटेशियम एटम का कितना होगा, 1 एटम का पोटेशियम एटम का होगा 39 और यहाँ पे दिया है 2 पोटेशियम. In this way we have calculated the all will multiplied by 39 into 2, then 32 and then 16. 1 oxygen atomic mass or molecular mass, atomic mass of 1 oxygen atom is 16, and here is given the 4 oxygen, then it will be the 16 is multiplied by 4, and after calculation we have found out our molecular mass of K2SO4, which is 6174. And now the next molecular mass of CaCl2 and molecular mass of MgSO4. This is too simple. That's Mg का कितना होता है, Mg का एटॉमिक नंबर 12 होता है and atomic mass is 24. So 24 plus 32 and plus 64. 16 into 4 64 हो जाएगा क्योंकि यहाँ पे 4 ऑक्सीजन है. And then after calculation we have find 4 to 6 4 10 6 3 9 2 11 1 10 12. It is a 120 unified mass of molecular mass of magnesium sulfate. And calcium का 40 होता है, 40 and plus 35.5 into 2, then 40 plus 2 5 are 10, 2 5 are 10 plus 1 11, 2 3 are 6 61 6 plus 1 71, and it will be added and it will be calculated 1 4 7 11 and unified mass. So calcium chloride molecular mass which is यहाँ पे 35.5 एक क्लोरीन का एटॉमिक मास है और यहाँ पे 2 क्लोरीन है, इसलिए हम 35.5 into 2 करेंगे and then after we will take the 111 unified mass of calcium chloride. Now see the another example of magnesium. See another atoms. What is the molecular mass of S3PO4 and what is the molecular mass of S2CO3? Very simple. Let's see. S3 हाइड्रोजन का वन होता है, एटॉमिक मास भी वन होता है, एटॉमिक नंबर भी वन होता है, तो 1 into 3 प्लस फास्फोरस 15 होता है into 2 30 plus 31 and plus 16 into 4. Now 3 plus 31 30 and 64 and then we have find the value of 4 plus 3 7 3 and 6 9 97 unified mass 97 unified mass. And now here is hydrogen 1 into 2 plus carbon 12 plus 16 into 3 because one oxygen का value 16 होता है और here is 3 oxygen, that's why we have multiplied by 3 into and after that we will see 2 plus 12 plus 48 and 8 plus 2 10 8 plus 2 10 2 12 2 1 carry here 4 plus 2 1 5 1 6 62 unified mass of molecular weight or molecular mass of carbonic acid and it is a molecular weight of phosphoric acid. It is a molecular weight of phosphoric acid. In this way, now that we have seen the next molecular mass. Now the example has given, calculate what is the molecular mass of C6H12O6 and ZnO and Na2O means glucose, zinc oxide and sodium oxide. इसका molecular mass आपको ऑब्टेन करना है. Now see, कार्बन का 12 होता है तो 12 into 6 करेंगे. Let's see carefully and here is plus हाइड्रोजन का होगा 12 into here is the atomic mass and into 12 and plus 16 into 6. Now after calculation 12 6 are 72 plus 12 1 are 12 plus 16 into 6 is equal to 96 and then 6 to 8 2 10 0 9 plus 1 10 7 70 plus 1 180 unified mass of molecular mass of glucose. And now the molecular mass of zinc oxide. Now the zinc oxide is zinc oxide. So atomic mass of zinc is 65 plus atomic mass of oxygen will be 16, and after addition 6 plus 5 11, 1 carry किया, 6 plus 1 7 and 1 8, 81 unified mass. This example has been asked in your textbook question and also given in side book, and this is also molecular mass of sodium oxide. So sodium oxide का molecular mass कितना होगा? तो sodium oxide, तो 1 sodium का atomic mass कितना होगा? 23, and 23 into 2 and plus 16. So how many? 2 3 is 6 and 2 2 is 4 plus 16, and then 6 plus 6 12, 4 plus 1 5 plus 1 6, 62 unified mass of molecular mass of sodium oxide. In this way we have do one more example with the help of atomic mass of particular atom. अगर आपको किसी भी एलिमेंट का एटॉमिक मास आपको पता है तो आप इजी वे में आप अपना मॉलिक्यूलर मास जो है किसी भी कंपाउंड का कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. नाउ इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी विल डिस्कस द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक.